Come on up to stand and take your feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. Take one hand to your belly and the other palm on top of that, softly bending your elbows, closing your eyes, bringing your awareness here. Let's take Bhramari's breath, bee's breath. So take a deep breath in. Take your hands to your heart center. Take a deep breath in. Take one hand to your forehead, one hand to the back of your head. Take an inhale. Slowly release, opening your eyes. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale it out the mouth. So we're going to take a pranayama that comes from a martial art I used to study called Chin Lung. And you might want to watch me for the first one. We're essentially going to make the sound wo and the sound ye, keeping the knees bent. Take a deep breath in. Wo, 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 ye, 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 wo, 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 ye, 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 ye. Close your eyes and just feel that. The next pranayama, again, you may just want to watch me. It's quite fast, but I think you'll get it, no problem. Bend your elbows out to the sides, palms facing down at chest height. Slowly bend your elbows out to the sides, palms facing up, prana mudra. Close your eyes and just breathe into the effects of that pranayama. Feel the prana, the energy moving through the body, through the arms. And slowly release your arms down. We will end as we began with Bhramari's breath, bee's breath, going up, Shushumna. Place your hands on your hip creases. That's where your hips and your thighs meet in the front of your legs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Inhale again. Last one. Inhale. Take one hand to your lower abdomen, the other palm on top of that, so above the pubic bone, below the belly button. Take a deep breath in. One hand to your solar plexus above the belly button, other palm on top of that. Take a deep breath in. One hand to the heart center, other palm on top of that. Take a deep breath in. One hand to the side of the throat, the other hand to the other side. Take a deep breath in. Take one hand to your forehead, the other hand to the back of the head. Take a deep breath in. Take one hand to the chest, the other hand to the belly. Taking this short break from our lives to light ourselves up from the inside out. And may we take this energy that we've hopefully created through the practice, through our intention, with us through the rest of our day. Namaste. If you like that video, you'll probably like these. And if you want more videos, go to my membership site. Either way, let's stay connected.